It's just Dragon seats.
And we're here, Xena. Your comma's a little broken.
Okay, so we halted seat rotation. The 2.0 orange CTB US ammonia filter bed bag that's all the way towards the seat actuators on cargo pallet 6 was contacting the actuators, so we paused seat rotation. And we took out 3 half CTBs, 3 empty half CTBs that we'd been asked to put in that bag earlier this morning. That did help. One other thing that's going on here is we also had to rotate that 2.0 bag 90 degrees this morning. So the hinge is towards seat 1 on Dragon's port side, the lid hinge of that 2.0 CTB. I think it nominally should have the hinge of the 2.0 CTB facing towards the seat actuators, and that makes the bag a little bit skinnier. However, there was a 1.0 CTB 5036 bubble wrap that is quite stuffed, and so we had to rearrange some things this morning.
Yeah, copy that, Xena. Thanks for all of those. We're actually tracking the same down here. With the current configuration that you're now in, do you think that you have the clearance you need for the rotation? Or do you still need something to change?
I think with this current config, with the half CTBs removed from that 2.0, that it would be okay. It's pretty tight. There's about a ½ inch of clearance between the edge of the bag and the seat actuator. So it's tight, but it's doable.
Copy that. Stand by. We might have a few more words for you. And Zena, back with you. Thanks for the patience. We're just working on getting comfortable with the config here. So at this stage, at this point, if you feel like you have the clearance for the rotation and you think Kimya is able to keep eyes on the clearance, then we're okay with that config. If you don't think that that's possible and you think you need a little more room, we do believe that rotating that one bag 90 degrees back to its original config is the way to go. But we also recognize to be able to do that, you'll have to undo some of the packing. So wanted to get your thoughts on, should we go through that extra redo to move that bag, or do you think you've got good eyes up for the clearance?
We've got good eyes for the clearance. I cinched down the straps a little bit, so there's maybe an inch of clearance now. So we'll have Kimya keep eyes on. I think in order to rotate the 2.0 90 degrees, we would have to remove some items from the 1.0 bubble wrap CTB.
Yeah, copy that. We're thinking the same. So if you're comfortable, then we're go to pick up with the rotation.
Okay, copy. Okay, Houston, we're back with you. We're continuing in 5.330 to Bravo.5, commanding, once again, seats to upright. We're about halfway there.
Copy that. We're standing by.
Houston, seats are rotated. We did maintain clearance the whole time. It got a little bit tighter as the seat actuators continued all the way to the upright position. Johnny's hopping in his seat now.
That's great news. Thanks, Zena.
And also, Houston, when you've got the bandwidth, we'll take a recommendation on what to do with those 3 half CTBs that came out of the 2.0 ammonia filter bed bags.
Copy that. We'll take a look. haziness, so the plan for those CTBs, once we're done with this procedure right here and the seats are back into their nominal recline position at this point, you can go ahead and repack those empty CTBs back where you found it and put the HDI and everything else back. How copy?
Okay, copy that.
And just for some added essay for you, if we really do get into this config and we have to use this configuration on here, we'll have a different stowage configuration, so those CTBs will not stay in that position. So just giving you that essay.
Okay, copy. I like that plan.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
On 2 for Dragon pallet seat, we've got Johnny fit check in pallet 7 config with the seats upright, and we've got a good fit check.
That's great news. Go to continue.